everyone. Today we are talking about Dilip Jayawira, a new face in Sri Lankan politics. He is an entrepreneur, a media mogul, and now a member of parliament. Thank you.
Who is Dilip Jayawira? Dilip was both in goal. He is a lawyer and with an MBA. Currently he is an MP, but the most important thing is he is not a career politician. He is an outsider who entered to politics from business and media. Thank you.
Business empire. Most people know Dilip as a founder of TV Dinner. He also helped start the third administrating agency. He was the chairman of the George Stewart, which is the Sri Lankan oldest company. He has a business in the hotels, medicine and farming products. The main topic is he has a real business experience, not just theory. He has to create jobs and build brands. Thank you.
Dilip started the Mauvima Janata Pakshe. Later he formed an alliance called Sarvajana Balaya. He entered parliament in December 2024 throughout the national list. He also ran for president in 2024. His loans are Entrepreneur Nation and Happy Nation. He presents himself as a fresh alternative to the traditional political families.
Here are Dilip's main policies from his presidential campaign. Shift from a consumer economy to a producer and entrepreneur economy. Second one is reduce the cost living local production. Third one is merit-based politics, not family dynasties. Fourth one is strengthen the rule of law and independent institutions. Fifth one is create a happy nation, pro-economy, freedom. Thank you.
Recent activity just this month, Dilip congratulated India actor and politician Vijay on this performance in the Tamil Nadu elections. This shows that he follows religion politics and supported alternative political movements.
Conclusion. Thank you for listening. If you have any question, please ask. Our sources are listed on site parliament.lk, Sarasa Vibalaya website and other than news. Thank you.